Another point, and this might sound strange to you, dealing with, especially in the light of certain tensions in our community. In healthy Islam, the women are highly educated. In healthy Islam, women and children are participating in Islamic activities. And you go in the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and you look at the revelation, the first person to accept Islam was a woman. And she confirmed Islam. The first person to die shaheed, to sacrifice their life for Islam, Sumayya radiallahu anha, is a woman. The person who reported the second most amount of hadith, Aisha radiallahu anha, is a woman. In the Battle of Uhud, one of the people who defended the Prophet with her body was a woman. Many of the battles, the women would go. The Prophet, peace be upon him, would draw lots, would take lots between his wives and take her to the battle. In healthy Islam, the whole community participates.